How to make your rental feel like home. Hi, my name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about how to make your rental feel like home. Making a small space feel like home can be a really tough job, especially when your decorating options are limited by rental rules and regulations. If you live in an apartment, a condo, or any rental space, you don't need to worry or panic because I've got you guys. So, here are some rental decorating ideas that will help you make a space your own and will inspire you to fill your home with style and personality. Now, let's get started. You may be stuck with the basic apartment and materials, but that doesn't mean that you cannot have fabulous furniture. Fill the space with pieces you love to make it your own. In every room, choose a statement furniture piece to become the focal point. With a stunning mustard yellow sofa or mid-century dining table, you'll quickly forget any less ideal features that you can't change. If your apartment lacks a designated entry, create your own drop zone with a few wall-mounted pieces. Hang a set of hooks for hanging hats, purses or light jackets. Choose a unit with a shelf on top for placing grab and go items like your keys and sunglasses. Finish the setup by hanging a large mirror for last-minute touch-ups on your way out the door. And if your rental doesn't allow you to add screws into the walls, pick a few adhesive back hooks to do the job. Rentals are notorious for having minuscule kitchens. Take advantage of every inch of kitchen storage by maximizing vertical space. If your setup includes open shelf, place several stacks of dishes on each shelf. Use the upper shelf for lesser used items that you don't need to access so often. Before moving further with this video, please take a minute and subscribe to our channel. We currently have a 150 subscriber goal and we have a lot of content coming your way. Some vintage buildings come with gorgeous built-ins, ideal for storing modern necessities. If your home is lacking, fake the look by adding a storage unit or bookcase that reaches almost to the ceiling. If you're allowed in your building, install moldings around the tops of the shelves to reinforce the built-in look. Turn your TV wall into the focal point of your living room. Hang a gallery wall of artwork around the TV to frame it and surround the display with furniture. Plus, having a piece of furniture beneath a wall mount TV grounds it and prevents it from seeming as if there's a random object floating on the wall. A day bed can be a sofa by day and guest bed by night. Accented with plenty of pillows for background support, you can sink comfortably into a day bed to watch TV or read a book. When overnight guests come, they'll have a comfortable place to sleep. Keep a large basket nearby for extra linens to make the transition from sofa to bed really easy. Employ a few smart studio apartment ideas to make your all-in-one dwelling seem cozier. Stick with a consistent color palette from the kitchen to the bedroom. Similarly, repeat finishes and materials to create a cohesive look. Employ rugs to anchor different zones and provide visual boundaries between areas. Employ an industrial metal shelving unit as extra kitchen storage if your apartment's kitchen storage options are less than generous. Use baskets to coral kitchen staples and incorporate a few decorative touches to keep it fun. Small apartment decorating ideas require a little creativity and ingenuity, especially if you want your deposit back. Proving that temporary can be clever, an art display of black and white prints can be installed with neon pink tape. Mixing almost all black prints with lighter fair brings depth into the casual arrangement. If you can't paint the walls in your home, paint the furniture instead. A new paint on the bed frame or dresser can be just as impactful as a new color on the wall. Use the furniture colors as a springboard for other apartment decorating ideas to incorporate into your space. Repeat the colors on accessories and fabrics for a pulled together look. In a rental situation, you're often stuck with whatever finishes are provided to you when you're signing the lease. If your home's carpet or flooring is not so stylish, camouflage the problem with an extra large area rug or multiple layered rugs that coordinates with other decor. Plus, if you're looking for small apartment decorating ideas on a budget, this fills the bill. You likely won't need an oversized rug, which can get pricey. You're not limited to the mini blinds that come standard in most rentals. Dress up your windows with easy DIY curtains. This no-sew project can be done in a weekend. Picture your home's living space without any furniture to help you think beyond your current furniture arrangements. Decide if the room is large enough to divide into zones that will make the space more functional. Then get creative with how you start to arrange your furniture. It might make the most sense to float the sofa in the middle of the room and place your TV on the wall facing it. You can then use the space to the other side of the sofa for an office or dining area. Place a console behind the couch to use for storage to serve both zones. Even if your rental has white walls and your seating is nondescript, the smallest of decorations can make a huge impact. Bring personality to your apartment with plenty of throw pillows. To make changing your look easier down the road, buy pillow covers and pillow forms separately. New covers can go on the forms, and old covers can be stashed away without taking up much storage space. Using the storage your rental comes with, such as bathroom vanity, to your full advantage is a smart, small apartment idea for saving space. By maximizing what you already have, you eliminate the need for add-on storage units that make a room feel cramped. Stackable or pull-out storage in a bathroom vanity fills the vertical space and tidies up bathroom necessities. Utilize behind-the-door storage to further maximize bathroom cabinets. A beautifully skirted table provides both style and storage. Beneath the fabric, you can use the open space or shelves for out-of-sight storage. Try the skirted table trick as a small bedroom idea that houses shoes or handbags below or in a living room to hide media components. Neutral walls can be the bane of an apartment dweller's existence, but rather than lament, use this sea of beige to your advantage. Layer in luxe-looking elements such as sumptuous bedding and enviable area rugs. And yes, it's okay to put a rug over a carpet, all in similar neutral tones. And then add a strategic punch of color. Stick to a two-color scheme and place the colorful elements so that the eye travels around the room. Vintage buildings have plenty of charm, but sometimes the original elements can pose as a roadblocks to the best of decorating ideas. Rather than cringe at something that you don't like, embrace it and work around it. If the bathroom tile is a shade that you can't stand, for example, pick a color you do like to serve as the room's main hue. The tone of green used in this bathroom has just a twinge of yellow, which helps the accent to stand out and the yellow to recede. Try a blue-green with powder blue tile or sherbet orange with salmon color tile. Space saving relies on multi-purpose solutions. Invest in a large multifunctional bookcase that will serve multiple storage needs. Place it in central location of your home and store books and dishes on the upper shelves. Place bins, baskets or drawers on the lower shelves to house linens, flatware, office supplies and any other extra things that don't have a place to live. In any small space, using mirrors is a decorating trick that works wonders. They reflect light and make a space feel bigger. Hang a large mirror in your apartment's dining space, living room, or bedroom across from a window, so it is in the prime position to reflect natural light back into the room. A cramped dining nook can become worthy of dinner parties with a few smart strategies. Use clear chairs or glass top table to visually expand the space and make it feel bigger. Then hang up some artwork and adjust the lighting. Install wall-mounted sconces that don't need to be hardwired or place lamps on a narrow console. If your dining area comes with the chandelier, see if you can cover the bare bulbs with shades. Keep safety in mind by taking measures to ensure that the light bulb doesn't get too hot with the shades, and of course, check with your landlord first. Use colorful garden stools as impromptu coffee tables or bedside tables. These relatively lightweight furniture pieces can easily be moved from room to room and are much easier to carry up apartment stairs than a bulky table. Look for a color or finish that coordinates with several spaces in your home so they can travel between spaces and always look like they fit right in. Turn awkward rental features into your favor. Tap odd corners or narrow closets for storage or a cozy seating area for one. In any living room, two narrow nooks provide storage for office and craft supplies, and curtains can be drawn to conceal the spaces. Bring furniture into your bathroom to add function and style. A slender table with a drawer can be used for storage as extra counter space. A sturdy chair can become a perch for clean towels. Go all out to fill up boring walls. Hang a grid of favorite pictures or prints inside frames with large mats. The bigger mats will provide much needed white space for an active display. Onlookers will be able to take in each photo, which makes for an effective display. Hampers can hold more than just dirty clothes. Use them around your apartment for stashing umbrellas and hats, extra linens, or kids' toys. Employ clever add-ons such as basket intended for over-the-door storage or prevent hamper from becoming bottomless pit. Good lighting can completely transform a room, and its source doesn't always have to be a hardwired ceiling fixture. Invest in lamps to place on end tables, nightstands, and side tables. Position floor lamps to illuminate dark corners, and hang plug-in sconces in the hallways or above sofas. Plugging under cabinet lighting will give your kitchen work areas new life and make cooking tasks easier. Place furniture in the corners of a room at an angle and use the space behind to stash baskets of extra linens, toys, craft supplies, or whatever else you need to store. Select baskets that coordinate with the room style. This helps functional storage read as stylish decor. Finding non-permanent ways to update your apartment is the key to making a rental feel like home. You might want to add pattern tile to your bathroom, for example, but your rental agreement makes it a no-go. Instead, use peel and stick tiles that are easy to apply and remove when needed. Choose a small area, such as the wall above the sink, to keep costs low. Layering is a ho-hum rental, a touch of sophistication. Take this trick to the floor with a duo of area rugs. Anchor a furniture arrangement with simple neutral rug and place second statement rug on top. Arrange apartment furniture around the rugs for a cozy seating area. Use floating shelves to show off a collection of decorative objects and mementos in your apartment. Basic shelves, staggered for a unique look, serve as a strong basis for rotating displays. wood, or metal shelving will go with almost anything, which means you can easily change the look of the vignette without making any more holes in your apartment walls. Introduce a rental to luxury with gorgeous draperies. Hanging several sets of draperies along a wall in an apartment approved way to give your space personality without the permanence of wallpaper or paint. It also gives an illusion that there are windows hidden behind the draperies rather than an expansion of blank white walls. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.